Hey everyone, Aero Diecast 102 here. Good evening and welcome back to another video. And tonight we're going to be doing the complete collection update of all of my model aircraft in my collection. So included in this video is all of my 1/400 scale model aircraft and also some other aircraft which are the cheap ones that you can just buy off eBay for $10. So let us now begin. The first aircraft that I would like to show to you is this one. So it is the Cathay Pacific Airbus A350-900. It is made by Phoenix and it is in the new livery. So the new livery actually fits the A350 very well. Very beautiful aircraft and very beautiful livery. Okay, so next model aircraft is the Philippine Airlines Boeing 777-300ER in the 75th anniversary livery made by Gemini Jets. And again, it is a very beautiful aircraft and it is the national carrier of the Philippines, which, by the way, is where I live in. So I'm a Filipino. So yeah. Next aircraft that I would like to show to you guys is sadly a retired aircraft, which is the Cathay Pacific Airbus A340-300. So sadly, this aircraft is already retired and it has been replaced by the A350. And as you may know, guys, four-engined jets are on the way out, and the future opens its doors to twin-engined aircraft. And it is quite a sad sight to see four-engined jets disappearing from the skies. And it is in the One World livery, and this is made by JC Wings. So this is an Airbus A340-300. Next aircraft. This is the EVA Air Airbus A330-300 made by Gemini Jets, and it is in the old livery. And as you can see, quite I would say um, a beautiful livery. The orange and the green definitely complements each other. A perfect combination of colors, and it is a beautiful aircraft. The next aircraft is the Air China Boeing 747-400, and it is made by Gemini Jets. And fun fact, this is one of the first aircraft that Gemini Jets made ever since Gemini Jets was founded back in 1998. So quite an historical model aircraft in my collection. And also it is very hard to find lately, but if you do, it will be charged up with outrageous prices. So it's quite rare to see one for a reasonable price in this beautiful mint condition. Okay. The next aircraft is another retired aircraft. It is the Air France Boeing 747-400, and it is in the current livery, and it is made by Gemini Jets, a 2013 release. And it is also another sad sight to see Boeing 747-400 passenger aircrafts disappearing from our skies. But at least we still have a few airlines that still operate 747-400s in their fleets. Okay. The next aircraft that I would like to show to you guys is the um Philippine Airlines Boeing 777-300ER in the normal livery, made by PPC. So the only difference between this aircraft and the other Philippine Airlines is that this one is just all white, so no 75 sticker on the side, but the other one, which is this one, has the 75 sticker. Beautiful aircraft indeed. Okay, on the next aircraft is the Cebu Pacific Air Airbus A330-300, and it is made by Gemini Jets. And the livery is very colorful, I must say. I love the color combination of the aircraft, and the livery also does fit the aircraft very well. Next aircraft, we have a big one, which is the heavy lifter transport aircraft Lockheed C5M Super Galaxy from Dover Air Force Base, and it is made by Gemini Max. This is the heaviest aircraft in my collection, and it is definitely a huge one, and it has lots of landing gears, as you may see on the underside of the aircraft. Okay. Now moving on to the cheaper models. So I would like to begin the cheap models exhibition with the let me just take it off the stand. We have the Jetstar Airbus A330-200, and it doesn't say any brand on it, but for a cheap price, it is a good aircraft, I must say, for beginner collectors. So I would recommend this aircraft if you're just a starting collector. The next cheap model aircraft is we have a Xiamen Airlines Boeing 757-200 in the old livery, and also it doesn't have any brand on it, and nothing much to be said about this aircraft. So the only thing that I could say is that this is one of the first ever aircraft that I have collected before I started collecting Gemini Jets model aircraft. So I had this aircraft for around 10 years now, so it is quite a long time, but yeah, it's still in my hands, still in good shape, and I'm proud to say that I can actually take care of my models very well. The next and last cheap model aircraft is we have a Qatar Airways Airbus A380-800, and this is made by Darren, which is a brand from the United States. So I bought this while on a flight to Doha, and it is on board the A380. Coincidentally, yeah. And I'm actually planning to get one in 1/400 scale soon, just to make it more realistic, because of course I can't put this in my model airport because it does look like a toy. So I'll try to find a 1/400 scale counterpart of this aircraft. But wait, there's more. We have another aircraft. So this next aircraft, we need lots of space. So let me just clear up all of these aircraft from where I placed them on the table. So this might take a while. So just hang in there, guys. That will do. So the next aircraft is a big one, of course, definitely a big one. It is the 1 to 100 scale Philippine Airlines Airbus A330-300. It is a big one, guys. It was actually given to me by my auntie um, as a present, and actually, this model itself was from the late 90s because she worked from the early 1970s up until the late 1990s for Philippine Airlines. So that's why she has this model with her. So she decided to give it to me. And a beautiful aircraft, and I might do a review on this aircraft soon. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I do hope, guys, you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, please do help me get to 50 subscribers. And I will, of course, do a 50 subscriber special if we reach 50 subscribers very soon. So guys, please, I need your cooperation and your support for us to reach our goal of 50 subscribers. And again, guys, thank you for watching. Good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.